Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to perform column-based calculations within Jupyter Notebook using the Pandas library. Column calculations play a key role in data analysis and reporting for many real-world datasets that require calculating totals, averages, or performance metrics. And Pandas library allows us to perform these calculations efficiently using data frames. So at first, we have imported the Pandas library, which helps us work with structured and tabular data. And then we have created a simple data set that stores student marks in three different subjects like maths, science, and English. Then we have calculated the total marks by adding values from multiple columns. Like we have used the sum function, uh, which is applied row wise using axis 1. Okay. Then we have calculated the average marks for each student by dividing the total marks by the number of total subjects. Like here we have three subjects, so we have divided the total marks with three. And then we have added a performance column. Like based on the average marks, we have added a performance level for student using a conditional rule. Like if any student gets more than 80, 85, then his total score or total performance will be excellent. Or else, if the student got less than 85 in average, then the performance will be good. Like for Alice, average is 80, so the performance is good. But for David, the total average is 87.6667. So the performance is excellent. So using column-based calculations, we can quickly generate meaningful insights from data. And Pandas makes these operations simple and highly efficient within the Jupyter Notebook environment. So if you have found anything helpful within this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.